Magandang gabi, pambungad sa ating newscast. Inaprubahan na sa pagdinig ng House Committee on Legislative Franchises ang pagbawi ng prangkisa sa Suarasug Media Corporation dahil yan sa mga umano'y paglabag nito sa pag-ere ng fake news at panrerentag. Kasama na rito ang pag-cite in contempt kay Pastor Apollo Kibuloy dahil sa hindi pagharap nito sa mga pagdinig. May balitang A to Z si Kim Salinas.
House Bill 9710. Any second?
Second the motion, Mr.
Duly
Chair.
seconded by the Honorable Pancho. Any objections? The chair in objections. House Bill number 9710 is approved as with no amendments.
Tuluyan ng inaprubahan ng committee level ng House Legislative Franchise ang pagbawi sa prangkisa ng Sunshine Media Network Incorporated o SMNI dahil umano sa mga paglabag nito sa mga pag-ere ng umano'y mga fake news at pangre-red tag sa ilang mga individual.
This representation would like to move for the approval of House Bill number 9710, an act revoking the legislative franchise granted to Suarasug Media Corporation.
Pero agad naman itong tinutulan ng abogado ng SMNI.
I'd like to request a time or chance to explain our side, Mr. Chair. And before you consider your voting, I'd like to request all the members to just read our position paper, Mr. Chair.
Sa kabila nito, iginiit naman ng chairman ng komite na limitado na ang oras para pag-aralan pa ang kakasumiti lang na position paper at hindi na ito mapag-aaralan pa bago ang pagdinig. Buwelta naman ng abogado, walang kwenta na ang kanilang papel.
Position paper will become useless if you have you admit, Mr. Chair, that you have no more time to study and make a voting. That's why I'm asking, before you vote, Mr. Chair,
But
at least 1 week, Mr. Chair, to give all the members a chance to read our position paper, Mr.
Attorney,
Chair.
to observe due process in this particular hearing. Palagi ko naman po, November pa ho natin pinag-uusapan, Marso na po na yun, ang dami na po natin pagkakataon, i-submit po lahat yan. And it is sad to note that you submitted this document to us 30 minutes before this hearing.
Samantala, tuluyan na ring napatawan ng cite in contempt si Pastor Kibuloy dahil no-show pa rin sa mga pagdinig. Pero ang legal counsel humihirit na pagbigyan pa sila ng kaunting panahon para mapag-usapan ng maayos kasama ang kanilang kliyente.
May I make a final appeal, Mr. Chair, to defer the implementation of the contempt order until after I have advised my client. That is a very humble request from this representation. Just a few days.
We know very well that Pastor Kibuloy at this point in time is already a flight risk. So baka naman ang humihingi ni Pastor Kibuloy to give time so that what I mean, Attorney Topacio, humihingi ng palugit para makaalis na si Pastor Kibuloy out of the country. Hindi po ba there are already rumors? So it would be a dangerous precedent on our part.
Pinagbigyan naman ng kahilingan ni Atty. Topacio at nangako itong magbibigay ng pinakahuling report bago mag-Biyernes.
Contempt charges stay, but we will give them 3 days after his one-on-one meeting with Pastor Kibuloy in Davao.
Para sa Balitang A to Z, Kim Salinas.